Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix system license violation blue screen error in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is do a search, and then we need to type in CMD, right click it, command prompt, and we need to run that as administrator. Click yes, center this. Then from here we want to type in SFC, enter, /scan now. So I'll just type that in here, /scan now, and then hit enter. This is going to do a system scan and it's going to take some time. So as you can see, verification up to 2-3%. So depending how fast your computer is, it should only take no more than 5 minutes, give or take. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once this scan is complete. Then from here we want to type in DISM space /online space / clean up -image space restore health, then hit enter. But make sure to type this in correctly, so I need to do this again. If you make a mistake, you can just redo it. So I'm just going to pause this video. Alright, that looks a bit better, so I'm going to hit enter here. And now as you can see, it's scanning. Wait for that to load. Then after that, we want to type in check disk again, so CHKDSK, enter, /R, hit enter. And then click Y, enter. Now for the next step, just go ahead and restart your computer. What will happen, it will say to skip disk checking, press any key within 10 seconds. Just let that run out. Do not press any keys. You want it to let it run the scan. And once the scan has completed, it's going to just let it load back into Windows, and that should fix your system license violation blue screen error in Windows.